Hello, in this video I'm going to show you what to do if screen rotation is not working on your Samsung Galaxy A3. If screen rotation doesn't work, the first thing you should try is to see if maybe it's turned off in the quick settings. Here you can see it's turned off. You can turn it on, then test it in some app. To test it, simply go into, for example, Play Store and try tilting your phone to see if it flips. If it does, that means the gyroscope is working properly and auto rotation works as intended. If it, however, does not do that, the next thing you could try would be to go into Settings, scroll down to Software Update, and check if you have any updates to your system that are pending. If you do not have any updates that need to be done, you can simply back off and try restarting your phone. To do so, press and hold the power button and then double tap on restart. Now, if this does not end up working, you can try booting into safe mode to rule out any app interference. To do so, you can restart as normal, then wait for your system to start booting up. Once this pops up, press and hold the volume down button. Just keep on holding it until safe mode appears on the bottom left corner. Once it does, you can stop holding it. Then, of course, you want to continue on booting your system up. Now, once you are booted and you check out if auto rotation is working, of course, check if it's turned on. It is. So try checking it out here. Try tilting your phone to check if it's working. If it is, excellent, great. That if it works here but didn't work in normal mode, that means some app is preventing it from working properly. You might have to try turning off or uninstalling third-party apps from your phone one by one to check out which one is doing it. But for now, you could try, if in the end it doesn't work even in safe mode, you might have to take your phone to a service station to get it looked at. But now I'm going to show you how to get out of safe mode. Simply restart your phone like normal. After restarting it, it will be back in normal mode and you can continue working on it as normal. Now, if this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.